Hello everyone, welcome to the Engineering Projects YouTube channel. In the previous video tutorial, we have created the action listener to save menu links, editable data in database, which is this. Now we need to trigger that from front end. That's why we need to create the Ajax request or call, in which we will use this link as the URL parameter, and we will create the dynamic model of JS to pass that as this model. So here when the edit button is clicked, every field get editable and edit text is changed into save, and when save is clicked, every field get dynamically saved on the front end but not on the back end. For that we need to play with Ajax, but this Ajax will be somehow different, because in this Ajax we are sending the data as the object like this. Okay, so we will use the same Ajax which we have used to insert the record of menu links. Let's copy this Ajax request, and upon save links we will use that, and right after it's done we will use like this. Now what things we are required? We required the menu lock ID. So how we will get the menu lock ID? For that we have to execute the whole application and to extract that. The simple is that we can do is, here you can see current value of menu location. Okay, it's extracting the data of the current value. Okay, by this we are extracting. If we want to send the menu lock ID, we can use that here. Okay, I can copy this and paste it here. Now the next thing is that what is the text field name? Okay, here you can see that this is the name of drop down list. If you are viewing my previous video tutorial, you get to know that why we have developed this. And this is the drop down text, and here is the drop down current selected value. This is the name, so we will use name text here and URL text here. Now we will pass this to our newly created link like this. Now the data is sent like this. Okay, let me pause this and execute the application. Now the application is get executed, and let's test our Ajax request. So I will create a new query to check that is it updated in the menu links table or not. So I will say select all from menu links table. Okay, so these are the records: 403 link ID 1, name home, and this is the URL. Now here you can see, now I click on edit. I will say I want to go for the footer, which means 404, and update, and here should be www.facebook.com, and click on save. It's saved dynamically here. Let's see it's get changed here or not. So it's not changed here. Okay, now we need to debug that. How we can debug? Okay, here we have some mistakes. here. Now I click here and again click this and click on save. It get caught here. Now see, here we are getting text URL, but we are not getting the links ID, which is very necessary to utilize, and also we are not getting the menu log ID, by which we will update the record. Okay. So go to the front end and let's see why we are not getting. Okay, yeah, I am not passing that here. Okay, let's traverse this by, this is ID which I need. Okay, so how I will traverse that? I will traverse that by this. I will press F12, pass this, then use this. Now click edit, and now let's traverse. Here we have selected this. this. Okay, first of all I have to get the first row, then it's children, the first dd dot eq 0 dot val. So it's give me the ID. Now I will save that ID here, where links ID is equal this, and pass this here. Here we have the links ID. And here you can see we don't have that. So now it's come here. Again refresh this, and when I will click on save, it will again trigger the application, and by which we will get the links ID. Click on save, and now you can see we don't have that. Okay, so we need to copy this and use that here. We are still not getting that by this. Okay, let's check that. 1.6 is working. We are getting this, but we are not getting this. Links ID and menu location ID. Okay, so we need to traverse that again. Okay, it's not right now working. Here we have, or we can use okay, by this we can get that. So here is a menu log ID. Pass this, refresh the application and click on save, and let's see. So now we have menu log ID, which is 1, but right now not menu log ID, links ID, not menu log ID. So now we need to get that. By this, links ID, not this, and you can see that when I will execute this, everything is get updated but not the menu log ID. So we need to extract the menu log ID. Yes, I have found it that the reason is that when we are extracting that it is removed dynamically, so we need to extract this here before it get removed. Like this, and now we have done. Refresh the application, go to here, edit, and this is footer 1 2 3 and 1 2 3, and click save, and now you can see we have menu log ID, name, links, and links ID. Now continue and execute this, and you can see this one is get updated. So here we have done that. I hope this video tutorial is informative for you. If you have any kind of question regarding this, you can ask us, and don't forget to subscribe the Engineering Projects YouTube channel. Take care.